My name is Jacob, and I'm an incoming junior studying computer science and computer simulation and gaming. The main thing that got me interested in the nursing VR simulation was the opportunity to develop virtual reality, because there are a lot of really unique interactions available for VR, but it's also a very different space from any other medium.
My name is Brennan Crowder, and I am a computer science, mathematics, and computer simulation and gaming major. I wanted to be a part of this project because I'm passionate about the development and advancement of virtual reality in the medical industry. I believe it is very important to begin to merge these fields as our technology improves. The benefits are endless.
Another thing I've learned was how to work in ways that others can easily kind of pick up from. So for instance, like if I start a part of the project that I know I might have to stop at some point, I'll try to document it very, very well so that I can stop at any point and leave it, and somebody else should be able to come right in, see what I was doing, and immediately understand, oh, this is what's going on, I can pick it up from here and go forward easily. So that's been a big skill I've had to learn, and I think it's to be very, very useful going forward. I think working alongside others gives you a really great opportunity to see how people do things and learn from that. So I've been able to learn a lot of new kind of like coding tricks that I had no idea even existed in the first place, and that's been a really exciting opportunity for me.
I've been working on this project with this team for the past year and 2 months. I am really, really proud of where we have gotten with this simulation so far, and I am excited to see where we go in the future.
Overall, I think we are pretty happy with where we've gotten so far. We're planning to continue working on the project into the school year, so I'll be really excited to see where the project ultimately goes.